In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print check on QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a check in QuickBooks online and send it to your printer with confidence. First, let's create the check inside QuickBooks so the payment is recorded correctly. From your QuickBooks dashboard, click the plus new button. In the menu that appears, choose check. This opens the check form. At the top, select the bank account the funds will come from. Picking the correct account matters because this is where QuickBooks will decrease your balance once the check is printed. Next, enter the payee. Type the name exactly as it should appear on the check. Add the date you want on the check. This is the date that will show on the printed document and in your records. Now fill in either category details or item details. Use category when you're recording an expense to an account, like utilities, office supplies, or rent. Use item details when you're paying for products or services you track as items. Add descriptions if helpful, and make sure the amounts reflect what you intend to pay. The total amount field should match the check you plan to print. Take a moment to review everything: payee, spelling, date, account, and the total, because these details flow directly onto the printed check. When everything looks right, click Save and Print. This takes you to QuickBooks' print flow so you can send the check to your printer. On the print screen, click Print Check. Before you press the final print button, load your check stock into the printer. Use the format your checks were designed for. Most business checks are voucher style, with the check on top and stubs below. Align the stack so the printer feeds it cleanly, and check your printer tray icon to confirm the correct source is selected. If your printer allows it, a straight or rear feed often keeps checks from bending and helps maintain alignment. Make sure the paper size is set to letter and scaling is at 100% so the amounts and Messier line land in the right places. If you're unsure about alignment, you can do a quick test on plain paper and hold it against the check to compare placement. Once your check stock is loaded and settings look good, click Print. After printing, verify the payee, date, amount in words and numbers, and the alignment across the check and stubs. Store the check securely until it's mailed or delivered, and you're done. Your QuickBooks records now reflect the payment and the printed status, keeping your books accurate and your paper trail clear.